you could be flying to Paris, France this year for only 15,000 Amex points. 2023 is the year of travel, and if you want to learn how to maximize your credit card points in order to travel more for less, then keep on watching. You'll want to first visit the AirFrance website and either log into your account or create a new one. Under the Book a Flight tab, you'll want to go ahead and search Book with Miles. And pro tip, even if you don't have a single mile with AirFrance, you can still search for award availability. The next thing you'll want to do is choose a hub city to fly out of. Now in this example, I'm going to show you flying out of Chicago. You'll want to make sure you choose a hub city that has direct flights to Europe. Booking one way instead of round trip gives you a lot more flexibility and makes the points work better for you. You'll also want to make sure that you're being as flexible as you can with the dates that you're choosing. For example, I know that November is a really good month for me to travel, so I'm going to go ahead and play around. Now again, be sure that you're searching with one way and Book with Miles. The more flexible you can be with your travel dates, the better. Sometimes leaving on a Wednesday instead of a Tuesday can be the difference of thousands of airline miles. Go ahead and write the flight information down, and now we're going to repeat the steps for our flight back from Paris to Chicago. Now it's time to transfer our Amex points to our AirFrance account. In your Amex portal, under the Rewards and Benefits tab, go ahead and select Transfer Your Points. You'll want to transfer the exact amount that you need for the flights, and you want to be sure that these are the flights you want to take. Once you transfer your points from your Amex to an airline, there's no going back. Currently on the Amex portal for Air France, the points are transferring at a 1-to-1 ratio. Now it's always good to keep your eye out for airlines that are running transfer bonuses. The website says your points can take up to 4 days to transfer, but in my experience, it's always been in less than 24 hours. But keep that in mind just in case. I am always on the hunt for a great flight deal, so if you're interested in seeing more video content like this, be sure and like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's do a quick recap. Step 1, create your Air France account. Next, under the Book a Flight tab, be sure to book with Miles and start to search for your flight. Choose a hub city that has direct flights to Europe so you avoid spending miles on connecting flights or layovers. Choose Paris as the destination. Once you have your dates and your destination chosen, now it's time to transfer your points. Head over to your Amex portal, transfer your points to Air France, book your tickets, and enjoy your trip. If you want to see more behind the scenes on my travel and exclusive flight deal, go over and follow Jared and I's Instagram at On The Way with CJ. See you guys in the next video.